Hi everyone, my name is Erin Mancini, and this summer I worked on two different collaborative faculty-student research projects. For the first project, I worked with Wofford's curator, Dr. Yumi Ifer, to develop educational museum programming for the local Boys and Girls Club based on art history and the museum collections. In the typical year, the Boys and Girls Clubs sends about 30 children between the ages of 3rd and 5th grade to our gallery, and we host an educational session on an exhibition in the gallery, followed by hands-on craft. During the educational session, there are written and spoken activities. The goal of my project was to come up with the most efficient ways to improve these children's vocabulary and literacy while maintaining or gaining their interest in the art. What I found most interesting about my research was that art is an ample subject to help children improve their literacy because they do not need to possess a specific vocabulary level or of study to understand and develop opinions about a work of art, as one would need for studying other subjects like reading comprehension. Therefore, the children from different ages and reading levels and educational backgrounds can all participate in the enjoyment and activities associated with the work of art. Museum education thus offers a rare opportunity for these children to develop profound thought at their own levels and try to expand on it. This research culminated in a written thesis accompanied by a number of educational models that I developed and intended to be distributed to these students and grow in difficulty over the course of a calendar year. They can all be modified to fit different types of works, exhibitions, themes, and levels of remoteness. Due to the effects of COVID-19 that had on many local elementary schools, over the course of the summer, we decided to prepare bags with some of my educational models, as well as fun activities, crafts, directions, and school supplies in the bags for them to enjoy. We did this every 2 weeks, and parents were able to pick up the bags from their cafeterias along with free meals provided by the schools. My second project, which I started in the month of July, was on the art of printmaking. I'm collaborating with Dr. Goodchild, a professor of Western Art here, and Dr. Yumi Ifer to develop a printmaking exhibition and thesis that discusses the printmaking methodologies and what makes the art form unique, important, and of the equivalent stature to other mediums like painting and sculpture. To prepare for this, I did general research on the printmaking types and methods, followed by targeted research on artists and specific works of art available here in the Wofford Collection, the Wofford Library Collection, the Bob Jones University Gallery, local artists, and the Biltmore Collection. Many of these locations I've already visited, and I'm in the process of selecting works which will cover the printmaking history of both Asia and the West, and will include works that range from the Renaissance to the contemporary period. The goal of this exhibition is to demonstrate the importance of print so that museum visitors gain a profound understanding and interest in the medium. The exhibit will be on display in the Rosalind Salinger Richardson Center of the Arts in spring 2021.